Welcome back to my channel, everyone, and today it's some tea time cake. Yeah, this is my husband's favorite cake and he just loves it for supper with some mint tea or some coffee, and you're gonna like this too. So let's get it on. Let's make some tea time cake. Let's start by adding in some sugar. We need a sweet, some butter, some oil, and we're just gonna mix that together. And I have to tell you, I doubled the recipe to make 2 cakes. Right now I'm adding in some eggs. I'm going to add 1 egg at a time, and I'm going to take a little extra time to mix this out. I want to ensure that my eggs become incorporated into the whole batter, you know what I mean? I want them to mix so good. Alright, so let's work on our flour. I sifted my flour, add some baking powder, some salt, then I just whisk that together. And then I add in my dry ingredients in 3 parts. After adding in some flour, then I add a little water each time. So flour, mix, then water, mix, then flour, mix, then water, mix, until the flour finish. Yes, you get the whole point. And then I dash in some vanilla. I dash in some lemon juice, because whenever I add eggs to my baked products, I just feel like I need to add a little lemon juice to balance out all of that eggy flavor. You know what I mean? Alright, and then I'm just going to mix this together with my mixer just for like 2 seconds or 3 seconds. Then I pour this into a container that has been greased and floured. If you have greasing paper, good for you. You use that, girl or sir. Go ahead and bake this at 180 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 to 55 minutes. And then while it's baking, go ahead and make a quick buttercream icing. You know what I mean? I just used like 6 ounces of butter that I creamed. I added in some icing sugar that I sifted, add a little water, some vanilla, and just mix it up quick and easy. Yes, I don't make a lot of buttercream because I do not love a lot of buttercream. I just want a little touch of sweetness with the cake. Alright, so our cake is finished baking. We'll let it cool, you know what I mean? And to take out this cake, we use a knife, go around the edges, loosen it, pat it until it becomes free. Alright, so it's pretty simple from here. We just cut the cake in 2, we ice them, we add sprinkles, and we eat. Thanks for watching, everyone, and stay tuned for more delicious recipes from your girl.
Yeah.